Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can achieve this metallic cobalt blue halo eye with a glossy nude lip. I have been enjoying playing around with colors lately and incorporating them into my makeup, so I thought this would be a fun look to share with you guys. So if you'd like to know how to achieve it, definitely keep on watching and we'll get to blending. Before you go in with any dark colors on your eyes, you want to go in with their transition shade. I'm using this neutral warm tone brown from the JACLYN Hill and MORPHE palette, and with my Sigma E40 blending brush, I'm going to blend this into my crease. Blending this shade into the crease is going to help the darker colors we will be applying later on to blend even easier. So you want to make sure you always start off with the transition shade. I'm going into my Urban Decay electric palette, taking the color Gonzo on a Sigma E45 small tapered blending brush. I'm going to begin by packing this color in my outer V, and when I get the intensity that I like, I'm going to move up and blend this shadow into the outer crease. I also placed the color in the inner corner and I packed that on as well until I got the intensity that I was satisfied with, and then I blended it out into the crease as well. Moving over to Cobalt from the Urban Decay Electric palette, I'm still using my E45 from Sigma, and I'm going to pack this color on as well in the outer V and the inner corner of my eye as well, just to add intensity to the look. Using these intense bright colors really created harsh lines, so I'm taking the transition shade we used in the very beginning and I'm going to buff out the edges of that blue eyeshadow with my Sigma E40 blending crease brush. Now it is time to create the halo eye. I am taking some concealer. This is from Flower Beauty. It's the Light Illusion Concealer, and I'm going to apply this on the very center of the eyelid. Where we apply the concealer is where our eyelid shade is going to be. So this is going to be the halo of the eye. Now I'm taking Buxom Single Shadow in Silver Screen, and I'm packing this on the center of my eyelid where we applied the concealer. To help the center of the eyelid pop a little bit more, I'm going in with my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Diamond Dust, and I'm going to apply this wherever we applied the metallic shadow on the center of the eyelid. For the next step, I'm going to be taking Urban Decay Single Eyeshadow in Blackout. Using my Sigma E55 eye shading brush, I'm going to apply this color in the outer V around the center of the eyelid, and also applying it in the inner corner of the eyes as well. For a beautiful eye look, you need a beautiful pair of lashes. I'm going in with EYLURE's Luxe Faux Mink Lashes and Gilded to complete the eyes. While we take a break on the eyes, I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to prep and moisturize the skin using my Too Faced HANGOVERX primer. And this is a primer as well, so it's going to help grab onto any foundation that we apply over it, which will keep it on the skin throughout the entire day. Go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation in the shade 150. This foundation is beautiful on the skin. It gives a beautiful soft matte finish that's not going to be an overly matte look to your skin. It's not going to make your skin look flat. It just makes it look even more flawless. The coverage is beautiful. It literally covers any imperfections you do not want to be seen. It's just an amazing foundation, and I love how it blends into the skin. And it wouldn't be a full face without some concealer. I'm going to take my Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. I am in the shade L1-2 Fair, so I'm going to apply a good layer of this underneath the eyes and then blend it out with my damp beauty blender. I have super fair skin, so I need to go in and bronze. I'm using the Physicians Formula MURUMURU Infused Butter Bronzer. Using my Sigma F10 Powder / Blush Brush, I'm going to dust this along the cheekbones to give some definition to the cheeks, since my face is more so round. I need a little bit more help in making my face look not so round, so I'm going to focus and really try to chisel out my cheekbones. And after I am done working on the cheekbones, I'm moving over and dusting this along my hairline near the forehead just to give the skin a bit more warmth than I naturally have. So our concealer does not go anywhere. I'm going in with my Coty AIRSPUN translucent face powder, and I'm applying this on the under eye area with my damp beauty blender. I'm applying it near the lower lash line and bringing it down to the cheek area. I applied 2 or 3 layers of powder, and I'm going to let it sit there for just a few minutes while we finish up the rest of the face. Since the top area of the eyes was heavy, I wanted to balance it out and add something on the bottom. I'm using my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in 0. I'll be applying this on the entire lower waterline, and after I've applied it in the waterline, I'm going to bring it down and lightly apply it on the lower lash line. Now this eyeliner does need to be blended out. I'm taking Cobalt from Urban Decay's Electric Palette using an e.l.f.'s eyeshadow smudging brush. I'm going to smoke this along the entire lower lash line so the black eyeliner doesn't have any harsh edges to it. I also took Urban Decay's Black Shadow and I applied it along the entire lower lash line using a light hand. I wanted to mimic the halo eye we have going on the top area of the eye and bringing it down to the bottom. So I'm applying my STILA glitter in Diamond Dust, and I'm applying that on the center of the lower lash line. If you know me, you know I cannot live out without some glow on the skin. So I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. Using Luna on a Sigma F35 tapered highlighter brush, I'm going to apply this on the cheekbone area. I did go in with this highlighter and layer it so I could get the best metallic shimmery finish. It's either no highlight for me or all the way. There is no in between for me, so I was feeling myself. And as I like to do with all of my highlighters, I take it and apply it on the Cupid's bow. I do a little bit on the tip of the nose, trying not to overdo it, and also on the bridge of the nose as well, and I like to bring it in the inner corners. I didn't want to go with anything too intense for blush. I just chose Benefit's California blush and applied it with the Real Techniques Fluffy Blush Brush. As with the cheek color, I did not want to go with the heavy lip color. I'm taking Urban Decay's Revolution High Color Lip Gloss, and I believe this is in Midnight Cowgirl, and I'm applying a layer of this on the lips. To finish off the look, I went in with MAC's new Prep and Prime Fix Plus Shimmer Setting Spray. And that concludes this Cobalt Blue Metallic Halo Eye. Bye. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you follow me on all of my social media pages. They will be on the top left corner of the screen. And make sure that you subscribe before you leave my channel. Once you're subscribed, you will not be able to miss out on any of the videos I upload in the near future. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Jesus loves you so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.